Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anderson again. So we're back with the next video. So I be eating because I went to the shop and buy a bongo, a nuts, and a ping pong, but I don't eat it. I don't think in panna. Actually, I show you my screen on a Zoom to show them that I really have a YouTube channel. Okay. So yeah, I gotta start just now. Yeah. I'm gonna finish this. So, yeah. Well, like, who it is? I don't know who is that. The first one, maybe thinking for mommy. If it's four, I'll pick it. So, I really love ping pong now. I got a whole full of my ping pong box. And then have more box because I can pick up all in one. Yeah, it's not even ping pong. Okay. Hey. Vamos, subir a porra. É. I know actually people but know what ping pong is like inside. Even if I'm turning out, is nuts, is fresh nuts covered in chocolate. Covered in a lot of, no, first it covered in some kind of sweet shell thing, and then it covered in chocolate. Just what it. So I can eat all at once. Mm-hmm. It's how you it's Listen. It's a cool from ones we make from them happen. Mine actually perform this relationship. That was in Spanish, yeah? Not Chinese, not British, not French. Oh. This how we local nuts impact from holidays. I don't like holidays, you know. I like sunshine. Nah, I like holidays because it does have nuts, sunshine, or holidays. Some of this nuts and sunshine, alright? Why I like the sunshine? Only I can continue with this YouTube channel. So bye.